Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
India's economy is at its lowest ebb. Please remember that last year we ended with negative growth. The GDP in constant prices declined sharply. Although the government talks about a V-shaped recovery, there is no recovery. Forget whether it's V-shaped or any other shape. And the GDP at the end of this year will not go back to the pre-pandemic level of 2019-20. 2020-21 was a decline from 2019-20. 2021-22 will show an apparent increase over the last year's GDP, but it will not go back to the pre-pandemic level. It's only when our GDP goes back to the pre-pandemic level, you can call it a recovery. I hope I'm making myself clear. If you slide so much and say 10 steps, and you climb 3 steps, you're not at the pre-pandemic level. You have to climb back 10 steps. That is not going to happen in 21-22. It may happen in 22-23. But then everything is dependent upon how many foolish decisions this government will take. Demonetization was a foolish decision. The flawed GST was a foolish decision. The refusal to give cash doles to the poorest 20 or 25% of India during the pandemic was the most foolish decision that has been taken. Refusal to increase public expenditure in a year of pandemic was a very foolish decision. And day before yesterday, they've announced another foolish decision, namely that India's assets will be monetized. It's another euphemism for given away. Will be monetized for what? For 1.5 lakh crore a year. Therefore, the recovery in 21-22 will not take us back to the pre-pandemic level. The recovery in 22-23 may take us back to the pre-pandemic level, provided this government does not take any more foolish decisions.